Please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video.
Titan also reported its first quarter numbers over the weekend. The company's jewelry business was weak, but the watches segment showed improvement. Net profit, revenue and EBITDA margin were all above what the street was anticipating, although the stock ended close to about 2% in the red. Let's quickly listen into what Mr. Subramaniam, a CFO of the company, had to say about FY19 growth outlook. Listen in.
Watches has been having an excellent run for the last year plus, ever since we started the recraft strategy. Q1, for example, there was also some higher primary sales in anticipation of the activation which started at the end of the month. So to that extent, I think that it would not be an absolute representation of performance for the quarter. So either 18.8% or 19% is, I think, a little high from that perspective. But having said that, I think we seem to be on a good wicket, looking at good margins for the year as a whole. As far as jewelry is concerned, I don't think there will be any disproportionate investment in advertising. So it's going to be the way it has been earlier because things are going well. This quarter, you would see a disproportionately high share of studded jewelry. But having said that, 25% for the Q1 was marginally higher than what it was in the same period last year. I think it was 24 last year.
Okay, so that's the opinion coming in from Titan, but we have Hemant Kumar on the line with us from Bangalore, and he has a question on Titan. Hi, Hemant.
Hi, Ekta.
Hi, what's your question?
I'm planning to invest 2 lakh rupees on Titan for a duration of 2 years. So just want to know the good time to enter.
Okay. All right. Let's get that answered, or let's get Ashwini to give his opinion on Titan then. Ashwini, what would you recommend?
You know, the problem is that because Titan has moved up from 300 to 900, now people are extrapolating that it may do the same thing. I had said in the morning also that this is a sideways year for Titan. Since December, it's moved in this 800 to 1000 band. Each time it comes close to 800, that would be a good time to buy. 3 years probably it will be higher, but try to time it in this 750-800 zone.
Okay, what would you tell him?
I think broadly agree with Ashwini. It's just that I think that these numbers were far better than what the street was expecting, and maybe 750, 800 may not be reached over there, but certainly around these levels, 15, 20, 50 bucks lower or so, you could look at buying into Titan. Better to spread it off over the next maybe a month or so and try and get the best possible price. But no doubt, I think next 2-3 years look quite exciting for Titan, and certainly we think it's going to be an outperformer. With now the watches division also coming into play, I think there are far many positive variables going for Titan than they were maybe a few months ago.